got the Shamila. Okay, this one I told you. The first one. Note it down. All of you know who is the second person. Yes, Tom. Kalpana Chawla. Ah, yes. Now second one. Write the answer first. Sorry. Shubhangi, what happened? Dan, that's why you have raised your hand. Okay, wait, beta, at first complete it, then I am coming, huh? Third one. Who is he? Chanda Kochar, right? Already the name is written in the utility box. So don't make any mistake. Write the spelling properly, huh? Ashif Mohan. Okay. Acha, next. Fourth one. Nirza Vanut. Nirza Vanut. Fifth one. Kiran Bedi. Inakshi, where are you? Sushnata, Raiza, Parijat, Farzana, writing. Okay. What will be the answer for sixth one? Everybody should know. Exactly. Sunita Williams. Seventh one, who is she? Do you know? Sushnata, Ovipsha, Ishani, Noraz. Do you know? हाँ, say beta. Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu. Naidu. Who is she? Eighth one, Indira Gandhi. All of you, Nushaiba, Moushim, Sheikh Irfan, Shulagna, Ankita, Spondon, done. Done, yes or no? Trisha, Ashmit, Mousha, Mohammad Sahib. Okay. Oishani, Ovipsha, Farzana, Shampriti, Shifatak. Done, yes or no? Oishani, Ovipsha. Okay. No, okay, I am waiting. Shireen, Mohammad Nahid, Pratibha, Wahia. Shireen, today you are on the roof. Acha. Acha, Wahia, okay, now no need to show me your copy. Wait, I'll check it later, huh? বনশ্রী, ওয়াজিদ, স্বর্ণাক্ষী, সোমদত্তা, দীপ্তশ্রী, সাউদ, আনুষ্কা, ফারান, সৌম্যদীপ, শ্রেষ্ঠা, সৈকত, আজাদুর, and Anjum. Keep your camera on. Shayon, Anjum, keep your camera on. Sonakshi, okay, Bonusri, huh? Acha, now I am going for the next chapter. I am moving for the next chapter. Up to this, all the students completed. So, Sonakshi. Okay. Shayon beta, Paushali, done. No, acha, I am waiting. Acha, first of all, you cannot do this in book. Shayon, from the next chapter, you will have to write all the thing in your copy. Sorry. You will have to write in your copy. Mousha, Moushim, done. Shifatak, Sharnakshi, Deeptashi, Shaud Loshkar, keep your camera on. If you don't turn on your camera, then I will mark you absent. You will be marked as absentee, okay? Okay, Shayon, where are you? Put your camera properly. Achha, now the next one. Chapter 32. Everybody open at page number 36. Oishani Abhipsha done to the previous one? Okay, okay. All the students completed the last one? Achha, okay, now look at this. Answer the following question using utility box. Here is the utility box. Who was the first Indian go into space on 13th April 1984? Here are the names. Let me read. Nirmaljit Singh Sekhar, Mr. Brojen Das, Abhinava Brinda, Satyajit Ray. It is very much hazy, na? Acha, Dr. Narendra Singh, Kapil Dev, Rakesh Sharma, Major Dhyan Chand, Satyendranath Tagore. Okay, the names are here. In the utility box, you can take help of this box. Now, write it. Who was the first Indian to go into space on 13th April 1984? It will be Rakesh Sharma. Okay, it will be Rakesh Sharma. The first one. Just in your copy, write Chapter name 32, then 1, Rakesh Sharma. Sheikh Irfan beta, keep the camera properly. Okay, Nusaiba writing. Ashia, Nusaiba, okay. Parijat. Now the second one. Parijat, with whom you are talking? You have done. Acha. Okay, who was the first Air Force officer to get Paramvir Chakra to posthumously? What will be the answer? It will be Nirmaljit Singh Shekhan. Okay. Number 2. Write the answer first. Now the third one. Name the Indian who received Lifetime Achievement Oscar Award. Very famous name, huh? It is Satyajit Ray. Okay. He was a Bengali. Okay. In Bengali, the name is Satyajit Ray. Okay. So write this, a famous name, Satyajit Ray. I'm writing here, huh? Just wait. I'm writing here. Now the fourth one. Who was the first Indian to join the ICS? Who was the first to join the ICS? And he was an Indian. What will be the name? You guess? Satyendranath Tagore. Okay, just write the answer. The fourth one. Achha, I am writing the fourth one here properly, huh? Now the fifth one. The fifth one. Who was the first Asian to swim across the English Channel? Who was the first Asian to swim across the English Channel? Mr. Brajen Das, okay? Enakshi done. Okay. Now the sixth one I am writing here. Who is known as the magician of stick in Indian hockey? It will be Major Dhyan Chand. Okay. Even the name is known to you, na? In essay one exam you have learned about this, na? Oh. Acha, okay. Now the next one. What meaning number 7? Which Indian captain won the Cricket World Cup in 1983? Here are given. Here the pictures are shown there. Now the 8th one. Now the 8th one. What is number 8 question? Who won the first ever gold medal in Olympic in shooting? Who won the first gold medal? First ever gold medal. Number 8th one. It is, you know, all the name you have learned about this previous exam, that is Abhinav Brinda. Write down the name. Now the 9th one. Who was the president of the International Court of Justice from India? Dr. Narendra Singh. Write the answer. Completed. Those who have completed, they can raise their hand. Farzana Adam, keep your camera on. Farzana, keep your camera on. Deboshmita, keep your camera on. Those who have completed, they can send hand sticker. Shifa Tak, Noraz Ali. Most of the student completed. Shubhangi, Enakshi, not done. Shubhangi, write first, beta. Ashmit Bose, Irfan, Mousha, Shulagria, Ankit, done. Okay, I am waiting for 1 minute. Now, let me start chapter 33. This one is very much easy. Look, I am just telling the name. You can do this at home. Look, the largest state in India in terms of area, it should be, what is the largest state of India in terms of area? Yes, Shoikat, say. Rajasthan. So it should be Rajasthan. Acha, now smallest state in terms of area, look, number 7, it will be Goa. Okay, and the largest one is Rajasthan. Acha, now the capital of 2 states. Which one is the capital of 2 states? It is Chandigarh, okay? Chandbigharh. Acha, do you know? Do you know the name of that 2 states? Punjab and Haryana, okay? This one is the capital of 2 states, Punjab and Haryana. Got it? Sushnata, Shonakshi, Shirin, Noraz. Understood to Farzana? Okay. Shirin, I can see. Meheria, Raiza. Ashia, are you doing or not? Bonusri. Retain that 2 state I told you, Punjab and Haryana. Okay, now look. The third one. Name of the desert in India. Name of a desert in India. That will be Thar. Thar, okay. The first Prime Minister of India. All of you know the name, right? Jawaharlal Nehru. The fourth one I am writing here. Jawaharlal Nehru. Nehru, okay? I think up to 4 all the students completed. 4 and 7th one also. Done. Now let me check who are not turning on the cameras. Let me just check. Vajit, okay. Vajit, what will be the 5th answer? The headquarters of East India Company. Can you say? Yes. Shoikot, very good. Vajit, say. Shoikot, I have seen the answer. It is correct. Now, beta, keep it. Vajit, you will have to say the answer. Shayon, tell me the answer. What will be its answer? 5th one. You don't know. It will be Bengal. Now the 6th one. Anushka, again, Anushka, just turn off their camera. Just let me remove them. And one more thing, I am not going to present you. I am not going to mark you present, okay? Prativa, Anushka, these few students are there continuously turning off the cameras. I am not going to remove, I am not going to mark them present, okay? Now the next one, look. The sixth one, the first Indian woman to climb Mount. What will be the name? Do you know? It is Bachendri Pal. Okay. Just let me write the name of sixth one. Now seventh one I told you Goa. Now eighth one. First woman Prime Minister of India. First woman Prime Minister of India. That is Indira Gandhi. DHI, okay. Afrina Vahia. Acha, now let me check the copy and let me take the attendance, okay.